guys? Frank here, back with another great video. In today's episode, me and my girlfriend are going to be ice fishing at Evergreen Lake, and hopefully we get on some stalkers or something, guys. I'll keep you guys updated. Oh, the ice is thick. Alright guys, as you can see, we're getting set up. It's about 6:15 in the morning. Still really dark outside. Hopefully we get on some fish, guys. We're in 12 feet. We're going to be using tungstens with wax worms. I'm going to try a Castmaster and a pink tube jig. We'll see, guys. I'm excited to be on the ice. God. So right when I went to the bathroom, guys.
Right when you went, I heard a fucking.
I had to go pee.
I sat for a bit and I was like, "God, that's the jaw." I got up and I seen it bouncing.
Right when I went pee, guys. First fish at Evergreen on the jaw jacker. On a tungsten with the wax worm. Yes. Thank you so much, little guy. Dang it, I wasn't recording, guys. I was setting up my jaw jacket right there. My girlfriend just got one in the tent on a rose gold tungsten with the waxy. Beautiful little rainbow. Alright guys, a bit of an update. We were fishing in 12 feet of water for about 30 minutes and we didn't even get a single bite. So we moved over here to the shore. We're in like 6 feet and we've already caught 2 fish, guys, so I'm guessing they're shallow. We're gonna stay in the shallow area and hopefully we get some more. My jaw jacker went on. Oh yes. Oh, I love the jaw jacker. Man, this one's beat up. Check that out, guys. Got him on the gold tungsten, tipped with the waxy. Yeah, I don't know why they're shitting. Yes. Alright. That's fish number 1 for me. My girlfriend got 2, so we have 3. My jaw jacker missed one. We're still here grinding it out. I think we only caught 3 fish. My girlfriend caught 2 and I caught 1. We missed a few on the jaw jacker though. It keeps going off. and then they just keep getting off. But hopefully we have some luck out here, guys. It's Christmas Eve and I'm trying to get on some fish. Yes, got him on the jaw jacker. Ooh, I thought he got off. Beauty. Check that out, guys. Jaw jacker is awesome. Want to take a picture of me, babe? Alright, guys, I just took a picture. Let's get it out of here. And there he goes. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for the video. We had a really slow day. We only caught 4 fish and missed probably 2 on the jaw jacker. They're being really finicky, so I'll have to come back next time and try to figure them out. But thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.